Before we start with the video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Million and Billion and do not forget to press the bell icon for more updates.
Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Million and Billion. This is Deepak Jha and today I'm going to show you how to bring Google's view image button back to search results. So here we go. Click on Chrome browser, go to the option apps. Here you need to choose web store option and it's quite easy to do. You need to just search it here, view image, and when you see view image, so you have to add that to the Chrome browser. So just click on add to Chrome browser, add extension, and it's added here. So just open a new tab, search for an image like landscape, go to images, select an image. So here you'll see the image will be open in a new tab, so directly you can save the image from here, and it's done. Thank you guys for watching this video and do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.